Hey, welcome back to my channel with Growing with Grace. So today we're going to give Big Daddy and his girlfriend more space. As you see, they've trampled down mud, and it goes all the way down to here, and they just have this little bit of grass here. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up this much of the fence here, pull the fencing back. We're going to put these T-posts in the ground, and these T-posts don't have to be that, heavy. So just enough to, to keep the geese in. So we're going to put these down, and then what we're going to do, we're taking these, what do you call these? Strips?
Burning strips.
Burning strips, whatever. And he's going to drill holes in here, and then we're going to attach it right here to the T-post. So we'll do a top and then a bottom, and just enough to keep the geese from, going out. And that way the chickens and the ducks can still interact in the grass. Okay, what I did, I put a stake down there, 76 inches from that fence to here, and a stake here. And so this will give us our straight line for putting our T-post in.
Putting these posts in along the line, that we can put these 1x3s up, make like a fence, keep the duck geese in, keep the ducks separated from them.
Drilling holes in it to put the zip ties through. Then we'll put another one up here. Put them on the opposite back.
What side's the back side of it?
I think that would be good though, because they cannot get through there. Okay.
Higher or lower?
So we're putting one of the boards on this side of the fence, and then the other board on this side of the fence, so it balances the weight. We have our helper today, Toby, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. And then we'll cut these off. And after we get this up all the way down through here, then we'll go through and put another one in the center. Now we're putting a T-post in the center of the boards, and we use a heavy-duty zip tie, and these zip ties have lasted us about 5 years so far. This is the end, because this is all the farther we're going to go right now, but we can take this off and take it on down farther. All right? Oh, get out of here. He's the animal that belongs in here. These here, these jaggers, you don't want these jaggers in your yard, especially with ducks and geese. Now that this is all put up, the next thing we're going to do is staple chicken wire on the outside. That way the geese can't crawl under the fence. We will keep the chicken wire 2 inches above the ground, so that way it's easy to weed whack under. Well, we'll see how this works. You guys, all it was the little T-posts, right? I don't know what the difference is between the heavier duty ones.
They're heavier.
They're heavier? Okay. Yeah. And then I'll go back and I will put some waterproof stain on the fencing here. And hopefully they stay in. All right, hey, take care.